Hey everyone! Today we are making donuts. Donut go anywhere. Let's get started. You need 1 3/4 cup of warm milk, half a cup of powdered milk, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of melted butter, has to be a little bit warm, 1 tablespoon of yeast, and 2 eggs. Mix all the ingredients together. Make sure mix it well, like I'm doing it. Add 4 cups of flour. Mix it with your hands or with the mixer, whatever it's easy for you. See the way I'm doing it, it's gonna be sticky, but it's okay. Add some flour on a clean surface and knead the dough for about 1 minute. Then place it back in the bowl and let it rise, double in size for 20 to 30 minutes. After the dough rises, spread some flour on the clean surface, the way I'm doing it. Look how it rises. Spread it with your hand. Make sure flip it and put some flour again so it doesn't stick. A little bit on the top and just open it with the roller. See, don't press too hard, and make it like ½ inch in thickness. Don't press too hard. See how it is? Now it's perfect. That's it, and start cutting it. I used my cup to make round shape. See how? Just go for it. I'm using piping tip to make those little holes, and you do whatever you have at home. Use anything you have at home. See, now I'm using the foil. If you want to use the parchment paper, use parchment paper, cut it in squares and put a donut on it, so it makes it easy for you to drop it in the oil when you start frying. Keep those donut holes so you can make munchkins. With the leftover dough, just put it together like I'm doing it and repeat the process like we did the first one. Let it rest for 5 minutes so it makes it easy for you to stretch, and that's it. Cover it and let it rise, double in size for 20 or 30 minutes. Now we're ready to fry. Set the heat to medium-high, not very hot, because if you put it in a very hot oil, it's gonna cook on the outside and the inside is gonna be raw. So make sure not too hot. Okay, I start with those munchkins. Now we start with the donut, the big ones. See, don't hesitate, just dump them in the oil. If you can't, use something else. See, and throw some oil on them. See, I use that wood, you know, to make the hole bigger so it doesn't close on me. So just keep frying. Make sure don't burn it. See how the color is? Very beautiful. So just keep frying it and pay attention to it. And make sure when the oil gets very hot, lower the heat down. When it's hot, you know, just keep frying. See how? Now it's time to decorate our donuts. Here I used powdered sugar with a little bit of lemon. Just dump your donut and just squeeze a little bit and decorate it with sprinkles. Next, I melted some chocolate. Now I used some cinnamon and some sugar. Now plain sugar. Et voila! Now I sprinkle some powdered sugar on the top. Do whatever you want, any decoration you want. Et voila! My donuts are ready. Sprinkle some wherever you want, and here you go. Look at my donut. Look at my beautiful donut. Just try it and let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with family and friends. Thank you.